Kina hele hele ia la ia o keki. O hue taua koko. My name is Gigi, and I'm here in Makaha at Aina O Makaha. That is a farm, a learning center, a place of refuge next to Makaha Elementary School. This is a project that has been here for 30 years. And in this community, we have been present because we think that this is a special community. We are here to learn from the community, from the children, from the parents. We learn about mainly how to take care of the land, how to take care of each other. A particular incident happened a month ago. Our hale that was built in the year 2000 was burned down for the third time. A lot of emotions, a lot of anger, a lot of sadness. That right away was replaced by the feeling of, okay, we need to think about all this. We need to stop. Maybe something like this happened because there is a reason. The reason is that sometimes we take things for granted and we don't appreciate what we have. So many people came, the children wrote beautiful letters, beautiful thoughts. Many people from other parts of the world sent messages that we collected in a lei. And last Sunday, we had a celebration. The celebration was to cleanse our spirit and our area so we can start to rebuild again. Our hearts, they have to be clean, otherwise we cannot rebuild. Our energy has to be strong energy. Our feeling has to be a feeling of hope, so we can share all this. So people came and we renewed this spirit. It was very moving, it was touching. And today we restarted to build. The first thing that we are doing is to put back some of the trusses that have been burned down and lash them. The area is built as a traditional hale, so no nails, only lashing. So people who have been building this hale for the third time have here young people, and that is the beauty of this. Young people who learn since the first time that hale was built, and now they took charge. The leaves have to come from Maui. Some of the wood has to come from Maui this coming week. The following week, we are going to start inviting more people to come and help, because we need many more people to clean the leaves, to prepare the leaves, and eventually to tie the leaves to the roof. This is a community effort. Probably that's what we need to, every now and then, to have the community come together. Unfortunately, some things not too good happen and the community come together, but maybe this is part of life. This is where the things happen, and this is how we learn. Next week, we are going to start to prepare the leaves. The leaves needs to be prepared. The thorns on the leaves needs to be cut. The leaves have to be strung and prepared so we can tie them to the roof. And we need more people for that. Many people signed up, they want to help. We will be calling people up, and so we will have a community effort to rebuild this hale. Probably things like this happen because we need to come together every now and then, to come together and reflect. Why we are doing these things? We are reflecting how life is. The life brings us some surprises certain time, but if you are able to come together and not to lose hope, things are going to be just fine. In fact, All these things are strengthening our spirit and strengthening the relationship that we have with each other and with the community. So this is what's happening now. By May 2nd, hopefully, this hale will be finished and we will have a big celebration. May 2nd is an open house for the children of Makaha, for the parents, for all the friends that come from to see and appreciate the achievements of the children that come to the farm practically every day. It's a celebration, and in this celebration we will celebrate the life of a new hale that for us is a symbol of hope, it's a symbol of refuge, it's a symbol of something that everybody needs in their life, a place where we can feel good. I'm here with Daniel next to the hale, and you can see that the hale has been burned down. And Daniel O'Brien is a master builder. Well, when he was 17, he's the one who came and built the first hale with Palani Sinensi from Maui, and he learned from him. And from then, he started to, he went on a training with Palani, and he built many other hale with Palani. Daniel is in charge of rebuilding this hale, a very young person, together with his brother Billy, who is on top of that roof over there, start the lashing. And that's what Daniel is going to explain, the first step that we are doing today. And so, and eventually we will go the next step pretty soon. Daniel?
Right. Yeah, the hale burned down, but luckily a lot of the main structure was left intact. So what we're doing is just redoing a few of the lashings, and next step will be to redo the purlings that hold up all the leaves, and then rethatch it, and should be good as new.
Kina hele hele ia la ia o keki o hue tau a koko e nā kino malu I kalani malu e ho e ho ulu mai ana o laka I kona mau kahu no mākou no ala aloha aloha kākou no na ke akua I kana hele ia la ia o keki o hue ka ua koko e nā kino malu I kalani malu e ho e houlu mai ana o laka I kona mau kahu no mākou no alai aloha aloha kākou Kina hele hele ia la ia o keki o hue tau a koko e nā kino malu I kalani malu e ho e ho ulu mai ana o laka I kona mau kahu no mākou no ala aloha aloha kākou Kina hele hele ia la ia o keki o hue tau a koko e nā kino malu I kalani malu e ho e ho ulu mai ana o laka I kona mau kahu no mākou no ala aloha aloha kākou no na ke akua I kana hele ia la ia o keki